Hey y'all, it's your girl Dr. Nina, and I got a question for you. Yes, you. Ever felt like that to-do list is getting longer and longer, but then motivation is getting shorter and shorter? I mean, add in personal, home, and work life, and it's giving all over the place. And look, as one of the busiest bees of the busy right here, I get it. And since getting married, I promise y'all, I feel like time is not waiting on you, girl, and it ain't. But there are ways for us to be more productive. But don't worry, I got you, okay? I'm going to teach you some of the productive ways that I have added into my day in order to become the most successful I can possibly be at the things that I tackle from day to day. And these are going to be easy habits. And also, they're going to make sure you have that best year yet. But make it grown woman style. And I want to hear from y'all. What are some of the things that you're working on that you want to be more productive at? Or what are some of the skills that you've picked up that can help all of us out here trying to get more productive? And also check those links down below to my Amazon shop. I made a whole list just about productivity just for you. I mean, just for you. And also, you can get in on that free text community. Yep, come on and join your girl. Get some more daily motivation and some other things. And know when my master classes are going live and when you can get some more motivation for your year. And make sure you like this video, y'all. It's free. It don't cost you nothing, but it keeps me in your algorithm so you can get this good old content. Let's get into this video. Of course, I like to set those goals and achieve them, but I must break them down first. Starting the year off without objectives is like driving a car far without a map. I ain't going nowhere but in circles. And I like to make sure that I use that SMART method to make it more of a possibility. Make sure that those goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. So let's say, for instance, we wanted to lose weight. And I did this years ago. I lost over 100 pounds. I had to make sure that I was very specific about what I was going to do and how I was going to do it. Just making sure that you have a specific way of saying that you're going to achieve something. Then making it measurable. Having a solid way to measure your progress. In this case, maybe it's measuring or taking your measurements weekly or every other week, or even taking your weight. And something that's made it easy for me is the Lose It app. I've told y'all about this. The free version is amazing. You can keep your nutrition. You can also keep up with your weight, your measurements, all the things that help you to know if you're making progress. And with being attainable, I like to make sure that my goals are actually achievable and within my reach. I don't like to set myself up for failure, so I'm going to try to ease into them and make a plan that makes it simple for me to keep going. And with being relevant, I like to make sure that these things are all fitting into my life, my vision, and my values. And with time bound, that's simply holding me accountable by setting deadlines. Besides waking up at the same time every day, what helps to keep me going is doing something for myself first when I wake up in the morning. And I don't want to hear, Nina, that's selfish. I can't do that. Everybody needs me first. Hold up. Remember, if you don't have you, no one else will. It's crucial to begin your day with some good energy. I might have some tea, burn some incense, say a prayer. My morning routine involves whatever leaves me feeling calm, enthusiastic, and empowered. That could be a 30-minute workout, a short yoga session, writing in my journal, or just staring at the ceiling. Whatever it is, do something for you first. I've had to learn to set myself up for a win no matter what. Click like if you have 1,000,001 calendars that you never really know the point of having because you write different things in different ones and you end up forgetting what you have to do anyway. I was forgetting stuff that was pertinent that needed to be done. So now I have a to-do book as well as my master electronic calendar. The to-do book helps me to see the items that need to get done as I check them off. The master calendar holds me accountable by having a time in which it's due. A to-do list not integrated into any calendar rarely gets to done. Look, y'all, I know what it's like to wake up on the wrong side of the bed, to have a coworker make a off-the-wall comment to you or a family member, or even have a looming deadline that gives you anxiety and makes you feel upset. We've all been there. But remember that to-do book I mentioned? It gives me purpose every day. A lot of times when we know what we need to do and we tackle the most difficult and challenging things in our day and mark those off, it gives us even more confidence to tackle the other things that must be done in our lives. You can make these things simple simple and plain. But I noticed that the most successful that I am with those things that I have to do, the more successful I am with the rest of my list. And I ain't nothing to a boss, okay? I like to make sure that I'm getting in meditation and positive thoughts. And for that, I've been using the app Aura, which I love. It has lots of coaches on there, lots of daily affirmations and things that come straight to your phone, as well as CBT and other things that can be helpful. And one of those methods is making our rooms and guest rooms more comfortable by upgrading the sleeping areas. And we've started that with our Birch Luxe mattress. And I'm happy to say that Birch Living is the sponsor of today's video. Birch is a premium mattress in a box company that makes sleep products and mattresses that are environmentally conscious, stylish, and comfortable. They make organic and non-toxic mattresses right here in America. They recently introduced the Birch Luxe Natural Mattress. It's an upgrade to their original well-loved Birch mattress. It takes comfort, luxury, and safety all the way to the next level. They're crafted with responsibly sourced and sustainably produced materials: organic cashmere, organic New Zealand wool, fair trade cotton, and 100% natural latex. And with its 8 different layers, y'all, these luxe mattresses were made with breathability and support in mind. I'm also loving that our home has organic and natural materials to sleep on. Each 100% non-toxic Birch Luxe mattress comes with 2 of their EcoRest pillows, which are made from recycled plastic bottles. They're breathable, but also better for the environment. We've had our Birch mattress for a little over 3 months now, and we absolutely love it. I mean, what's not to love? It's soft, comfortable, and breathable, but also it relieves those pressure points with that soft, plush Euro top. We sleep so well, soundly, and straight through the night, which is big for us when we've tried it out. And those old mattresses just cannot compare. We want to replace all our mattresses with Birch Luxe. And y'all, the simplicity of ordering online and having it come straight to your door is like none other. It was hassle-free. And with your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial plus a 25-year warranty. If you don't love it, they'll pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. If you've been dreaming of a new mattress, don't wait any longer. Until January 31st, Birch financing offers are 0% APR. Head to birchliving.com and see if your purchase qualifies for this limited time amazing offer. We love our Birch Luxe mattress, and we know you will too. You can click the link below or go to birchliving.com/BBBD for $400 off your mattress plus 2 free pillows. Usually being too busy is an excuse for getting away from our exercise and our hobbies. But putting yourself first is essential. Taking care of your mental health, even in those small chunks, can be so beneficial. For me, I just like to watch a little YouTube video that makes me smile for about 10 minutes, drink some tea, light a candle, turn on an electronic candle, give myself an ambiance. At the end of the day, instead of me just having a general aim for tomorrow and always thinking about what needs to be done, I take note of what I've already accomplished. I make a list of those day's accomplishments and I like to mark them off like I do in my to-do book. When I put that green check, it lets me know that I've gotten something done and it makes me grateful. A comparison of this list, even to the past, which is great about keeping that to-do book, lets you know just how far you've come, how much you're achieving, how much you're getting done. And now with my husband, we have a shared electronic calendar as well as Excel file that lists the things that are going to be done for our household. Believe it or not, it helps things run more smoothly. It also helps us to practice gratitude. So on a week where I'm more busy or where he's more busy, where one of us can pick up the slack or get things knocked off that list, clicking that to do and to done and letting the other know, we can thank each other for that. We see the value we bring to our home and we see how much we love one another through the acts of service and the things that we do. It keeps track, but it's not keeping score. It's allowing us to see what is getting done in our home and what may not be, and who might be able to assume that particular responsibility and who might pick up somewhere else. When all else fails for me, I like to try out those organizational apps for home and for work. Y'all, my ADHD sometimes gets out of control and those electronic calendars no longer make sense, okay? So these are some of those apps that have worked well for me as a last ditch effort and sometimes as a first try, but they never let me down. So first, Evernote. I love it because you can have multiple to-do lists going. You can scan in business cards, documents. You can mark things up. Also, you can keep a journal there. Anything you need right there in the palm of your hand so that you don't have to have several documents or things going. I've even written out lessons and other things with Evernote. It's just seamless. Time timer is dope because you literally put in the time that you need to dedicate to a task and it counts down or counts up to that time. Because sometimes I get astray from what I need to do, that thing keeps me in line. Until that timer or buzzer goes up, my butt does not need to get off a seat. Now, Calendly has been amazing because it's blessed my business. Whenever I need to set a meeting time, whenever I need to get with someone and I don't want to go back and forth about my calendar and theirs, I can send them this link. They can schedule the time that they want to see me and it comes straight to my calendar. No overbooking, no nothing. Y'all, there's even a free version, so check it out. There are some free ones and there are some paid ones, but these three for now have still been my faves. And last but certainly not least, I'm learning to have a firm end to my day. Look, I work from home a lot of the times or in other places. Being a professor, psychologist, and clinic director, I don't have to always be present. So therefore, I have to create a sense of urgency even from wherever I am. Just like I'm in an office and I'm ready to go, I need to be ready to go at the end of my day even if I'm not in an office. So have a firm time that you will stop no matter what, no matter what's happening, no matter what's going on, in order for you to be able to have a better balance with your mind. And for me, a lot of times I still have to answer to clients and people that I work with, but at the same time, I still get some peace and sense of self with when I'm going to shut down for the day. So I hope this video has been super beneficial for you and you've learned a lot about productivity. Make sure that you share this video, comment, subscribe, and also like the video. Y'all, I hope that you have the best year in productivity and get all done that you would love to get done. Continue to come and check me out each week and we gonna keep on giving you the goods. Y'all, Beautiful Brown Baby Doll signing out. Peace. Check the links in the description for my free new Dr. Nina's Mentorship Facebook group, which is a group of like-minded individuals looking to progress, grow, and support one another along the way. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.